Okay, today we're going to take a look at another one of Zippo's favorite designs, and it's basically that big flame back there. They put that flame on a lot of things. So here is the box that it came in. It's the new delivery system, this white box. And this one is made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. And the label on it says Zippo design above the barcode. Not too imaginative. And inside is the normal Zippo black box with no label except for that very strange P65 warning. You can see that it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. Here is the design. It's the normal insert. So this is one of their favorite designs to put on their lighters, this red flame. This is kind of a good one. And it's on a red, almost, it's got some orange in this red design, or the red color of the body. And you can see it was made in, looks like D or April of 21. Really good stampings on this. And it's got the plain steel insert. Lights up nice. Got a good sound. Let's do a drop test on this flame. So this flame passes the drop test nicely. And they also have several examples of their favorite designs. They probably make 20 or 25 of these flame lighters, which are pretty nice. One of my favorite is the this has crystals, the crystal flame on a black matte finish, and you can see several more up there. And all of these designs are made in the USA and definitely deserve some cowbell. Knuckle bump.